There's a lot of people out in the trail, and they're just as crazy as me, I guess. Welcome to my channel, Walking Off the Crazy. Even when it gets cold out, you still need to kind of, or you do need to get out, and that's what I'm doing today. It's at this point, it's minus 34 Celsius or 29, minus 29 degrees Fahrenheit. So just spending a little time getting about 5 miles in. Really, when you're doing some cold weather hiking like this, it's something where you're going to need to take refuge in a fairly substantial shelter or hostel, something where you're able to kind of warm up and stay the night. Up here in north of the 49th parallel, we actually have experimented, not myself personally, but people build quinzees, things like that. Actually, we're coming up on a shelter that people have actually built, and I'm just going to kind of turn the video off and show you that. This is a shelter. This is just off the Hart Trail. I guess it's been posted by the Winnipeg Fire Paramedic that it's not to be used for an open fire. I guess people will be using it as a kind of an area where they can kind of warm up when they're on the Hart Trail. Now this is just off of the Hart Trail. You can see maybe I don't know, almost even a sleeping area there. People have got some chairs in there, and they've got a fire pit, and so I guess they're concerned about right now people, I guess, using it as a means of maybe staying overnight. Some of the considerations for a cold weather hiking like this, when it's minus 34 with the wind chill, is that you layer quite a bit. I have on my head, I have a balaclava, I have a toque, followed by this the hood of my coat. It's a fairly substantial coat. I've got 1, 2, 3, I believe 4 layers on top, including my coat itself. I have Cabela long underwear that I just purchased. Very important to make sure that you're layering, that you're maybe not spending too much time out in these temperatures, trying to warm up at various shelters that they have along this trail here. So it's a very nice area. Yeah, just kind of finished taking a break here. The Hart Trail is actually used to be the Grand Trunk Railway. It was an access that they took the tracks out, and it's now used by a lot of people within the city limits, as well as a lot of wildlife. We have white-tailed deer here. We have coyotes. We have foxes, raccoons, and we have a lot of different bird life as well. Right now, it's pretty bleak in terms of there's not a lot of wildlife out there. I kind of feel sorry for the deer and the other animals that have decided to stay and not traveled out or traveled south of the border at this point, like our Canada geese do every year. better choice in weather like this. But thank you for joining me today on Walking Off to Crazy, and I appreciate it. Bye.